Hi, my name's Mercedes. I'm 24 and I'm from Barrie, Vermont, but I currently live in Las Vegas, Nevada. What photos should they use? More like, I like to see you with your nieces and nephews or your friends' babies. Like, I think that's cute. Or pictures of you doing something that you love, like hiking or surfing or dancing. Like, honestly, knowing what you're about in the pictures rather than just being all about how you look is really what draws my attention, because it's like, what am I gonna have in common with him? I can't just tell by a couple face shots that, oh, we're gonna get along. I need to know what you're about and what you like to do. Don't put in send nudes, because you just sound like a fuckboy, excuse my language. Avoid saying that, like, well, honestly, in Vegas, you've seen a lot. You go on Tinder and you find that a lot of guys put in their bio that they don't want a relationship. And, you know, that's gonna cause a lot of girls to go the other way. You don't know what you're gonna find when you meet somebody. So you can't honestly just be like, I don't wanna have sex with you unless you're down to be friends with benefits. No, like, all this poly idea, like nobody wants to be monogamous, but in reality, it's just you haven't found the right person yet. So don't push away any opportunities. Always keep your options open. Talk about what you love, and like maybe if you have a cat, I would love to know that. Or if you have a dog, just being an animal person in general would be cool. Sometimes funny pickup lines. So like if he messages me first, usually I want them to message me first, and he uses like a dirty pickup line, I'm more apt to just ignore you, because I'm just like, I know what you're about and I'm not interested in that. Or like just hi or hey, that's really boring, and honestly I just wouldn't respond, because I don't know what else to say either. I think asking me a question about something that's in my bio and starting a conversation based off of that is more interesting, and like I have something to talk about with you. If not, it's just weird and it ends in 3 minutes and that's it. Give me a message first if you have anything in your bio about tacos. I'll absolutely ask you to go eat tacos with me, because I love them. It's kind of a problem. Also, if you have a cat in your picture, I'm gonna be more likely to message you about your cat. Or tattoos. I love asking guys about how many tattoos that they have and which one's their favorite, and like seeing how many you have and things like that. It's cool. Some of my secrets and weaknesses is like guys who take care of themselves. Like if you smell good, it's definitely hard not to give you my number, because it's just like those pheromones that draw somebody in that you're just automatically like, wow, I really like this person and I don't even know them. Or like having a nice body and knowing that somebody takes care of themselves makes them 1,000 times more attractive.